Hello, join us on a day in Oban for the Oban Winter Festival. We have never been in Oban for Christmas time, but we've read that the Winter Festival is already starting and it's only mid-November, so let's check it out together. We're not really sure what to expect of the Winter Festival, but it's safe to say that Oban is still really busy, although it's off season. So I guess it's pretty popular, right? Maybe everyone is here to get to know.
I doubt that.
Yeah.
Because everything's shut in Mull, isn't it?
Yeah, everything is shut on Mull. We've just parked at McCaig's Tower and we just saw a couple walking up. Why do you do it to yourself? But we never done it like in the middle of when it's like pouring down. Well, so obviously we chose the right day to come here, but we're not very flexible. We only have the weekends to go to places, so can't just go on random days in the week. And yeah, so we've had a look already. It seems to be like they're like small fairs kind of all over. So I've seen at the distillery they've got something on. Well, you can't drink, but I can. And then there's like an art thingy going on, so let's have a look. But we're gonna have a wee picnic first. Oh, sorry. I'll just take both. I'll just take both. Yeah. Which one is it?
What? The dip?
Is it onion?
A wee bit of onion in it, right?
Do you like it?
I don't know, I've not had it yet.
Ian has not tried to crumb his whole car.
Yeah, because I'm the one that needs to clean it.
I already got a row.
That's nice.
Yeah, well, I bet it'd be nice for £2.40. It was £2.40 for a croissant? £2.50? Yeah, that's a joke. Honestly, for that teeny thing.
So we got it for free.
Yeah, we got it for free though. You know, like from Sparks, I'm on a Sparks card. Every so often you get something for free. Yeah, we just went in for that actually.
Did you already filmed that?
Yeah, we've got that.
Ah, right, okay.
We went up McCaig's Tower. McCaig's Tower. The last time we were in Oban.
We should make a YouTube channel just for how many times for your pronunciations of things.
Listen, that's not fair. I've only been in the country for 3 years. You decided to go to Oban today though?
Well, it was either going to be this week or next week.
Yeah.
And I don't think the weather's good either week, to be honest.
No, that's the thing. You can't. First of all, you can't plan with the weather anyway in Scotland, but it's been raining. I think the whole week in Glasgow. Yeah, pretty much.
Yesterday
so,
was actually
yeah, yesterday it wasn't that bad, but it's 6 1/2 like if you go probably this Saturday or next Saturday, so yeah. We're just at the distillery now and it says that there's a craft market, so I guess that is part of the Winter Festival, so let's check that out. The last time we were here in Oban, we stayed exactly there.
called the Distillery Apartment.
The Distillery Apartments.
So I wonder if it was actually owned by them.
Yeah, I think it's owned by the distillery. See, we're really not into art, but are we?
No, I wasn't.
But the man, he asked us directly if we wanted to go in and see, what was it? What did he?
I don't know, it was like an art thing, I don't know.
Yeah, an art exhibition thingy, or photographic. I don't know.
A couple of the photos I thought I could have just done that. Like the one with the berries in it, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, some of them, yeah. But some were really nice though.
Some were nice, yeah.
Some were really, but yeah, well, we're just laymen. We really don't know anything about it. But did you feel sorry for him, or why did you say yes?
I just thought I might as well.
Yeah, might as well. It's raining.
Drove 2 hours.
We drove 2 hours to Oban.
You're gonna look at everything.
Oh yeah,
We're looking
definitely.
at people's faces.
So let me know in the comments below if you can spot Carrera. I'll give you 2 seconds, and it's right over there. We really didn't pick the right month, but that's okay. We still have a bit of time. We'll go the next year.
We'll go in the summer.
We'll go in the summer, yeah. Because see, the thing is, like, the cafes are closed and things like that, so you don't really want to go there now. There's one restaurant that is open still, but yeah. Oh no, I don't think the restaurant is open. It's like they've got a cafe attached to a restaurant there, so that is still open. But everything else is shut, so yeah. We're now going to get a coffee at the chocolate company. It's our favourite cafe here. You might have seen it already in a previous video. Is it all wet?
It's so wet.
Yeah, it's absolutely soaking. Anyway, right, let's go. Let's see if there's still a seat free. Well, that's a shame. They didn't have any seats left, and it didn't look that anyone would be getting up soon, so we'll be heading off to another cafe just in the town centre. As you see, it's always really busy and really popular, and I'm glad that they also survived COVID.
Yeah, because we came here, it was like it had to be designated like somewhere where you'd sit down and eat,
Yeah.
rather than a takeaway.
Yeah.
So we sat down and had like stuff, remember?
Yeah.
We had like a chocolate selection, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we tried the chocolates.
Yeah.
It is really nice, and the hot chocolate is really good as well. But well, we'll go there next time. Cafe number 2, no success. It's all mobbed. Who would have thought?
Because the weather, I was like,
Whole of Scotland is at Oban's Winter Festival, or in Edinburgh for the Christmas market.
yeah, because it opened this weekend.
It opened this weekend, yep. That was one of my very first videos. I don't know if I'll actually make it to the Edinburgh Christmas market this year.
Link it up.
Yeah, I'll link it up on my left, I think it is. Well, I won't have time, I don't think, because it's only 4 weeks until we go to Germany for Christmas, Ian and I. So I'll be filming the Christmas markets in Germany and other ones than last year. So stay tuned for that. Well, before it was only raining, now it is windy and raining. So the brolly doesn't really help. We just went to cafe number 3, right? All mobbed. Ian has given up. We've just decided to go back to the car because the rain has got heavier now. Well, the day didn't really go as planned, I guess, right? Well, first wanted to go to Carrera. That didn't happen. Then, well, the market was quite nice. They were quite nice. I actually, it was quite busy though. Even for a rainy day, you would expect that it would be a bit quieter if the weather isn't that great, but it was nice. Quite small but lovely, and with like quite a few local stalls, and yeah, so I think I would even go back for it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video and you've got that far, why not like and subscribe? You'd really support me and the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. There are no crumbs. Oof.
Onion and garlic. Go see if you can get. Right, you need to go the full thing.
So, what do we want to do? Go back to the car?
Oh, is there anything else that you part of the winter thing, do you know?
I don't think there's any more of the winter thing.
Wow.
We drove 2 hours for this.
That was worth it.
Am I hearing complaints?
I'm not complaining, I'm just saying that was worth it.
Honestly, nag, nag, nag.
Nagging.